Have you ever wondered how your body reacts in a stressful situation? It's like a well-rehearsed performance, with each player knowing their role perfectly. The moment we sense danger or stress, our body activates its built-in stress response system, often referred to as fight or flight. This is our body's primeval way of protecting us, preparing us to either confront the threat head-on or to make a swift exit. Now, our body's response to stress is a complex process, involving a series of hormonal interactions. Among the stars of this hormonal performance are two key players, adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones are like the body's emergency response team, rushing in to manage the situation when stress levels rise. Think of it as our body's own built-in alarm system, with adrenaline and cortisol at the helm, coordinating our body's response to stress. Adrenaline and cortisol, two hormones that play a big part in how we respond to stress, but what do they really do? First up, let's dive into adrenaline, also known as the fight-or-flight hormone. This little molecule is a big player when it comes to preparing your body for immediate action. When you find yourself in high stress or physically exhilarating situations, your adrenal glands, located just above your kidneys, spring into action, producing a surge of adrenaline. The impact is immediate and profound. Your heart rate increases, pumping blood swiftly to the muscles and organs that need it most. Your blood pressure rises, ensuring that every part of your body is well supplied with the nutrients and oxygen it needs to function at peak efficiency. And your body's energy supplies get a major boost, preparing you for whatever challenge lies ahead. In essence, adrenaline acts as your body's own personal emergency response team, mobilizing resources and priming you for action in the blink of an eye. So, adrenaline is all about immediate response, but what about cortisol? Now, let's turn our attention to cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. This hormone has a different approach to stress compared to adrenaline. It's not about the immediate response. Instead, cortisol is more of the long-game player in our body's stress response system. Cortisol production ramps up over a longer time period when we're under stress. It's a bit like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring that everything runs smoothly during a performance. Cortisol helps maintain fluid balance and blood pressure, ensuring that our bodies can keep going even under stress. But it's not just about keeping us going. Cortisol also plays a role in putting non-emergency bodily functions on hold. This means processes like the immune response and digestion may get suppressed during stressful periods. It's all about prioritizing resources, ensuring we're ready to face whatever challenge is causing the stress. Cortisol and adrenaline, two hormones with different roles in our body's response to stress. But how do they differ? It's clear that both adrenaline and cortisol play a crucial role in our body's response to stress. But how do they differ? Let's dive in. Adrenaline, also known as epinephrine, is like the sprinter on your body's stress response team. It's quick off the blocks, pumping your body with energy when you're faced with immediate danger. This is the hormone responsible for that heart-racing, pulse-pounding sensation you get when something startles or frightens you. It prepares your body for a quick, powerful response, whether that's to run away or to fight. Cortisol, on the other hand, is more of a long-distance runner. It takes a little longer to get going, but once it's released, it keeps your body on high alert for an extended period. It's not as fast-acting as adrenaline, but its effects are longer-lasting. Cortisol helps to maintain fluid balance and blood pressure, while regulating some body functions that aren't crucial in the moment, like reproductive drive, immunity, digestion, and growth. So, you might say that adrenaline is the alarm bell that wakes you up, while cortisol keeps you awake, alert, and ready to handle whatever comes your way. They might seem like opposites, but adrenaline and cortisol actually work together to ensure your body can respond effectively to stress. Adrenaline kicks things off with a burst of energy, and then cortisol steps in to keep your body on high alert until the danger has passed. But remember, while these hormones are essential for our survival, too much of either can be harmful. Chronic stress can lead to an overproduction of adrenaline and cortisol, causing a range of health issues from anxiety and depression to heart disease and weight gain. It's important to find healthy ways to manage stress and keep these hormones in check. So there you have it. The roles and differences between adrenaline and cortisol, two vital hormones in our body's stress response system.